During an outage, our team is hard at work behind the scenes. When your power goes out, our smart meters alert our SCADA team, who monitors our system 24/7 and finds the most efficient way to restore every outage. In some cases, our smart grid is able to repair itself. If the problem continues, SCADA tries to restore outages remotely by rerouting power. If that's not possible, like if a tree has fallen on a line, they dispatch a crew to make repairs. While crews restore power, you'll likely see updates from our communications team or have your questions answered by our member services team. While you see our linemen during storms, they have a full support team behind them, making sure they're well stocked and ready to tackle repairs. Our goal is to safely restore power to the greatest number of members in the shortest time possible, which means we dispatch crews in order of which repairs will restore power to the most members. Power restoration is a complex job, and all of us at Greystone work around the clock until every home is restored.